Hello instructors, this is Tara Geiske here to introduce you to my online learning module, which will be about the American Civil War. It will be done on Google Classroom, and it is meant for an 8th grade U.S. history class. It will be a blended module, and most of the content will be learned online through lecture or other means, and class time will be used for taking that content and doing higher order thinking, as well as collaborating with classmates and the teacher. This is what I have so far on Google Classroom. Everything appears on one main stream. I try to use topics effectively so that students can find the different parts of the lesson as they go, so they're not having to scroll through the entire stream to find what they need, because each part of the lesson is labeled. And this is also where they will find the syllabus, which will include the communication policy, etc. At the bottom here, there is an introduction that shows how each lesson will be split up. There are 4 parts to each lesson: speculate, participate, collaborate, and contemplate. And with each of these portions, the students will be doing something different to engage in the content or learn the content, and then eventually show understanding and mastery of the content. Here is the roadmap for the first lesson I have created, which lets the students know what they will be doing in the lesson and also what tools they can use to help them. And then as you scroll up, you can see the different lessons appear. So this is Lesson 1, Part 1, which is speculate, and they'll fill out a Google form. Lesson 1, Part 2 is they will take notes from a lecture. Lesson 1, Part 3 is when they will collaborate with classmates in class. And Lesson 1, Part 4 will be completing an essay also on Google Forms that will show their mastery.